Time for a Tesla stock video, guys. It's been a while since we've covered what the heck's going on with Tesla, the charts. We're going to break down some news in this one about the Cybertruck. I'm sure you all know about this, maybe not. We'll cover it in this video, and we'll just break down the charts. You guys know how we do it here on the channel, so if y'all find value, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and of course, don't forget to follow me on X at Stocks Talk Stocks, link down below. You might as well do that, and with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So the markets closed about 10 minutes ago, so we're fresh off the close, guys, and all the indexes, well, they went all over the place. I'm sure you all saw we had the Russell up 0.25%, NASDAQ down 0.25%, we had the S&P up 0.4%, and the Dow somehow, some way, had an explosive day. 1.5% green day for the Dow, which is just unreal, guys. Let me actually pull the Dow's chart up very quickly and see what's going on here. Are we breaking out on the 4-hour? Oh, yes, we are, guys. In fact, we just hit a fresh high on the Dow Jones. Believe it or not, we just took out the highs from, looks like the end of July, early August, where we hit 35.6, 35.7. Now we're at 35,950 points, guys. And, well, we're almost at 36,000 on the Dow. And the all-time high on the Dow Jones is, let's see, 36.9. So believe it or not, guys, we're about to break out to all-time highs on the Dow Jones, which is unreal. And what do you guys notice here on the 3-year chart? I know what I'm seeing. This is a cup and handle. You guys see that playing out. And by the looks of it, man, I don't know about you, but I think this is heading right to all-time highs. We might even break those highs here in the short term. But enough of the Dow, enough of the Dow Jones. Let's break down what's going on with Tesla, some news, the charts, all that good stuff. So TSLA, as I'm sure you all know, is the ticker symbol for Tesla. And this went down 1.8% on the day, down $4.35 on the day. So it had a red day, closed at 239. And I'm sure you guys saw Elon Musk. This is not related to Tesla, I guess, but well, it is. I mean, it's Elon Musk. He's the CEO of Tesla, but he was talking about Twitter or X, I guess, and he pretty much told Bob Iger to F off or something like that. I'm sure you guys saw the interview yesterday, right? So that was pretty intense. I'm not sure if that, had anything to do with the sell-off today. Probably not. But we also got news around the Cybertruck, which we'll break down here in a second. But overall, again, red day for Tesla today, and we took out the lows, it looks like, from yesterday, where yesterday, mind you, in the morning, we hit 252. Then we sold off to about 242. And today we hit a low of 237. So we took out that low. And now we're playing right in this little window right here. If I draw this out, right between 240 now is resistance, with support being at about 230. So there actually could be more downside here on Tesla by the looks of it on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. But if you look on the 4-hour chart, let me show you guys this. We're now at the top of this channel, which I've covered before here on YouTube, guys. This downwards channel that we've been trading in for a good couple of months now. We're at the top of it right now, and we just got rejected at 250, 255. So if you're a bull right now on Tesla in the short term and you're looking at the charts, you want to see it break out of this channel. In fact, you need to see it break out of this channel, and that's where we could get, in my eyes, the next leg up, maybe towards 280, 300. That'd be the next window I'd say we'd be trading in. Of course, it's not guaranteed, guys, but all I'm thinking is momentum would kick in if we did break that channel. And I mean, we're right there. We're above the moving averages. We are well on our way. Now we just have to actually break out of it, which we'll see over the next couple of days what ends up happening. But today it did go down. It went down 1.7%. So again, we had a red day on Tesla stock. So that's a quick breakdown here on the charts. Let me show you guys what's going on here with the Cybertruck. Let me transition really quickly. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all, as always, for tuning in. So this is the good old Cybertruck. And by the way, let me know in the comments, would you guys ride the Cybertruck? Would you prefer a different, type of, let's say, maybe the Ford F-150 Lightning, maybe the Rivian, right? What would you prefer? Something like that? Rivian, Ford F-150 Lightning, or would you go for the Cybertruck? Let me know in the comments. I'm actually really curious what you guys would do. And by the way, make sure to follow me here on X at Stocks Talk Stocks right here. Boom, you guys see that? Go over there and follow me. So check it out. We have the Cybertruck, which this is the display image at the opening of Tesla's factory, Texas factory, which was last year, and the first 10 Cybertrucks are slated to be delivered on Thursday, which is today, guys. So let's read a little bit into that and see what's going on. So Tesla has delivered its first Cybertrucks at an event in Texas on Thursday, with Elon Musk heralding the electric pickup truck as the future of cars. And let me know in the comments, guys, on a little side question here. Do you guys like the appearance of the Cybertruck? Do you think it's, appealing, or do you think it looks a little too futuristic? Let me know in the comments. I'm actually curious. For me, I think it's a little too arguably sci-fi, maybe a little too futuristic, but I mean, we'll see how it sells and how it goes. But that's just kind of my opinion. I'm not saying I hate it. All I'm saying is it's a little bit different. Let's put it that way. It definitely is different. I'll give Elon Musk that. But here Musk told the audience, once in a long while, a product comes along that is rare, something really special. We will remember these special moments, and that's what he told the audience. We have a car here that experts said would never be made. And mind you, it's I forget what the car is actually made of, but it's very heavy material. It's heavy duty. I don't know if it's completely bulletproof, but when it comes to the actual performance, what I just said was in terms of the aesthetic, right? What I just said before. But now when we're talking about performance, it's definitely pretty up there, pretty solid performance. And, the material of the car, I forget exactly what it is, but it's dang near bulletproof from what I remember, guys. Again, I don't know if it's actually bulletproof. I don't know, guys. But either way, it's a pretty intense car or truck. Yeah, let's put it that way. Pretty intense truck. And, Elon Musk is saying it's one of these products that, is pretty much rare and doesn't come along too often. That's kind of how he's, putting it right now, which, of course, he's trying to market it and make it seem, well, it is rare. That's for sure. It's never been done, something like that. So I'll give him that. Now we'll see how it actually sells. That is the $1 million question. How will it actually sell, when it comes to the market? I mean, look, according to Tesla's website, let's come down here a little bit. The truck starts at $60,990 without incentives or projected gas savings, all the way up to $99,000, pretty much $100,000 for a top of the line version, which is probably decked out, all the features. You guys know how that goes. And let me show you this here. After showing the truck performing a few feats, including winning a race with the 2023 Porsche 911, that's what I'm talking about, guys. This thing is a freak of nature type vehicle. Musk personally greeted customers and delivered the first few Cybertrucks to them, including to a man who could be overheard saying he hadn't slept in 3 days, presumably in anticipation. That is insane. He didn't sleep for 3 freaking days, guys. Jeez Louise. But overall, that's what's going on right now. Look at that Cybertruck projection line. I mean, that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie or something, man. I don't know. It's sick. I'm not going to lie. It's sick. It feels like a stormtrooper is going to pop out of there and, do his thing, right? But, yeah, that's the projection line. We got that tweet today from Elon. Look at that. Pretty cool. And the sales of the futuristic-looking electric pickup truck have been delayed by a couple of years. As you guys know, Elon, he likes to delay things and promise. I'm not necessarily under-deliver, but he overpromises the deadlines. Let's put it that way. And this comes after Elon warned us a couple of weeks ago. You guys probably remember that there would be challenges to reaching production at scale, some short-term challenges there. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I mean, this is a truck that, if you guys look with the battery version, what's that? The single motor version of the battery could go up to 250 miles. If you get the more expensive one, 500-mile range. And, I mean, this thing is pretty intense. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Would you buy the Cybertruck, or would you go Ford F-150 Lightning Rivian, maybe the Model X or something, even though that's a different category. What would you guys go with? Let me know in the comments, and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, follow me on X at Stocks Talk Stocks. And guys, don't forget to get your free stocks for Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, using that link down below, you get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and fund your account at least $1,000. On top of those 5 stocks, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, each up to $2,000, guys. So use that link down below, get your stocks, and with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next one.